white wolf. Captain Turbot, look! Paw prints. I'm picking up the scent of wolves.
Splendid sniffing skills, Everest. Once we spot the wonderful white wolves, we'll take photos from far off so we don't frighten them. Stay still. I see something stirring up ahead.
Aw, it's a white wolf pup. Its family must be around here, too.
Oh, what a perfect picture! I'll just latch on my long-distance lens and, Oh, clamor and clamshells. I left it at camp. Everest, will you watch that wee wolf while I locate my lens?
It would be hard not to watch it. He's so cute. It's gonna be so much fun visiting Everest and Captain Turbot.
And tonight, there's gonna be a very cool surprise for everyone.
A surprise? What is it, Ryder?
If I tell you, it won't be a surprise. But I know you'll all really like it. I wish we were there already.
Hey, let's make up a silly story to pass the time. Everyone says one line of the story. I'll start. Once there was a magical pup.
But he had lots of, allergies. And every time he sneezed, pup treats came out of his ears.
Pup treats, yum. Sorry, long car rides make me sleepy. And hungry.
Whooshing weather? Sounds strange. Barreling blizzard blast coming this way. Take cover in the tent.
Oh no! The wolf pup could get lost in the snow. I need to help him. Don't be scared. It'll be okay. Come on, let's find some shelter. Look! A cave! Follow me! Isn't this cozy? It's the perfect place to wait out the storm. Uh-oh. That's not good.
We'll weather the whiteout with, Everest? She must have gone after the wolf pup. I need to find her. That was some storm. I'd better go and look for Everett. Whoa! Oh, that could have been a terrible tumble. The wild winds must have transported my tent onto this wintry waterfall. I'd better call the PAW Patrol.
Let's belly boggle down to their campsite.
On your mark.
Get set, go!
I think it was a tie. Everest? Captain Turbot? Where is everybody?
And where's their tent? I'd better call Everest. That's strange. Ah, good. It's Captain Turbot. Hi, Captain. What happened to your campsite? Is everything okay?
Ryder, the sudden snowstorm stranded me in this teetering tent. And Everest was watching a wee wolf pup when she vanished from view.
Stay put, Captain. We're on our way. No job is too big, no pup is too lost. Paw Patrol to the Paw Patroller.
Ryder needs us.
Come on.
Wait for me!
Oh no,
Look out, Marshall!
Whoa! Sometimes ice isn't so nice.
Yes!
Paw Patrol ready for action, Ryder, sir.
Thanks for hurrying, pups. Captain Turbot and Everett.